3 sockets car charger dual USB cigarette lighter sockets. 3 sockets meet enough for GPS, dash cam simultaneous use of a variety of portable appliance in your 12 volts 24V vehicle. Note: only used in devices with a total power of 100 W. 2 smart USB ports. 2-port USB charging ports with 3.1A total output enables you to rapidly charge 2 devices simultaneously. With built-in Smart IC technology that can intelligently detect your devices to deliver its fastest possible charging speed. Independent power switch LED voltage display cigarette lighter matched with its individual switch for energy saving and devices protection. Monitor battery voltage in real time to protect the battery, prolong the service life of battery. Multi-protect safety system. Long cable built-in safe fuse and smart recognition chip prevent from overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, ensure complete protection for you and your devices. 2.3 feet extension cord make it convenient for your family and friends in the backseat. Widely application 2 years warranty universal for 12 to 24 volts vehicles, adapt to mainstream vehicle types such as cars, SUVs, trucks, off-road. We provide 2 years warranty policy. Buy with confidence. If you have any concerns or questions about this product, please feel free to contact us. Top reviews from the United States. Work on my motorcycle. This fits perfectly in the pocket of my Goldwing so I can use my XM and charge my phone when needed. Also have my GPS plugged up to it.